Welcome back to this special edition of Arizona Midday, focusing on your health. If you're frustrated with your medical care, listen up. There's a new type of healthcare emerging that is helping lower healthcare costs while giving you more time with your doctor. And joining me now is Dr. David Hatfield of Hatfield Medical Group, Chief Medical Officer here. And what we're talking about right now is managed care. What does managed care mean? What is it?
Well, managed care, also known as Medicare Advantage, is just mainly a way for doctors to be accountable for your health care. It's like having a quarterback that's calling the shots and calling the plays on the field, helping move the ball down the field so that you can score a proverbial healthcare touchdown.
Okay, we like hearing that. So we want to score a touchdown. Why do you think patients are choosing managed care?
For us, it's simple. Managed care, in a managed care setting, our providers have more time with patients. And when have you ever heard a patient say they don't want more time? When our providers, our physicians tend to have more time with patients, the outcomes are better. Their health care improves, and we've seen it in our medical group.
Yeah, that does make a big difference. And that's one of the things I know patients need is more time. And I'm sure the response has been great.
It's been overwhelming. We have patients that are always telling us success stories, because when we take time to teach them about nutrition, when we take time to review their medicines with them after they've been in a hospital, and they need to kind of put together specialists and consults and things that have happened and x-rays and lab reports, it can be very confusing for patients. And so they need that quarterback or that field general to kind of bring all those pieces together. Here's what happened in the hospital. Here's what happened with this specialist. Here's what we need to do with this imaging study. And so to have that primary care physician as a touch point, to be able to take the time to not only educate the patient, but also sometimes family members that are there that want to be in the know, is so important.
Now, this sounds like a great idea. Why hasn't it caught on sooner?
Well, patients they love more time that they get with providers. And patients are loving the outcomes that are produced by this. Providers love it as well because it allows them to spend more time with patients.
Now, what about if they need to see a specialist? What would you tell them? I mean, can you still do that through managed care?
The great news is that's part of the quarterback's job, is to make sure that ball gets to the specialist so that they know exactly what to do to provide consultation. And if that means we need to get them to a specialist, if we need to coordinate care to the hospital, we do that as well.
Yeah, it really is terrific. I feel like it's kind of going back to the old days by having managed care and giving patients more time to spend with their providers. And really, the first place to start to learn more about managed care is to go to the website, learn more, get a consultation.
That's correct. And again, managed care for us, the Medicare Advantage space provides extra benefits, more support, more time with your physician. Who's going to argue with that?
Let's get the quarterback rolling. Catch that touchdown, everyone. And you can do it at HatfieldMedicalGroup.com. Again, that's HatfieldMedicalGroup.com.